people, welcome back to my channel. This is Apoorva, I'm your dietitian. In today's video, I'm going to unlock the list of foods that helps to unclog your arteries. You all may have heard about the condition called as atherosclerosis or clogging of arteries or about hardening of arteries. This condition leads to narrowing of arteries and restricts the blood flow to the heart, which may cause heart attack. But why exactly do we face the problem or the condition called atherosclerosis? It may be due to high bad cholesterol, that is LDL, or it may be due to high blood pressure, smoking, poor diet, unhealthy lifestyle. So, in today's video, I'm going to give you a list of foods which helps to unclog your arteries naturally. So, why late? Shall we begin? Firstly, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, which are potent source of omega-3 fatty acids. Secondly, flax seeds. These are plant-based omega-3s with fiber and antioxidants. Third, berries like blueberries, strawberries are superfoods for arterial health. Fourth, citrus fruits. These are rich in flavonoids and antioxidants and they scavenge free radicals too. Fifth, avocados amazingly cleanse the arteries and reduces the LDL cholesterol. Sixth, legumes. These are rich in fiber, prevents clogging and cleanses it too. Seventh, walnuts. These are the high source of protein, fiber, plant omega-3s, healthy fat, and it reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases too. Eighth, last but not least, dark chocolate. The polyphenol compounds repair the damaged blood vessels and grow new ones too. They reverse the clogged arteries too. So guys, just keep in your mind that there is no magic drink or magic food or any magic single food that helps to unclog your arteries. It is obviously a combination of all the 8 foods which I've told in this video today. So try to transform your lifestyle into a healthy way. Try to make sure that you eat nutrient-dense foods in your day-to-day life. All these put together will surely help to transform your life into a healthy way. So, if you have liked this video, do like, share and subscribe my channel Apoorva Dietitian in YouTube. Not only that, for the customized diet plans, you can surely contact me at Apoorva's Diet Studio and the number is given in the description box below. I'll come up with another interesting video next week. Till then, stay healthy, stay fit. Bye-bye.